Let me be honest with you, in 2026, hard work will not be enough. The people that will be making serious money in 2026 are not the busiest, they are the ones with the most skills. So, high income skills are skills that you can learn once and you get paid repeatedly for. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you top high income skills you should learn in 2026 if you want to make more income, gain flexibility, and be in control of your life. Hello, amazing people. If you're just coming across this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Precious, and on this channel we share business ideas, business growth tips, making money online, and personal development in general. So if this sounds like something you would love, do also hit on that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to like this video and drop in the comment section one high income skill you know. So the first high income skill we are going to talk about is AI automation and AI prompting. In 2026, the people that know how to use AI will strongly outperform those that don't know how to use AI. So even if you're not smart, you can learn how to use simple AI tools. Okay, so you can learn how to use AI to write effective prompts. You can learn how to use AI to write ads, content, emails, even customer service. You can also learn how to use AI to automate simple business tasks. You can use simple AIs like ChatGPT, Canva AI, CapCut AI. So businesses don't really want AI. They want people that know how to use AI for effective results. Most people are complaining that AI is going to take away their jobs, but AI is going to take away the jobs of people that don't know how to use this AI effectively. You can earn money as an AI assistant, custom automation services, and AI setup for small businesses. So the next high income skill we are going to talk about is digital marketing. So every business needs customers, and how do they get these customers is through marketing. So digital marketing is one high income skill you can learn in 2026. So you need to learn things like social media marketing, content marketing, paid ad basics. You can also learn content marketing. You can learn WhatsApp and email marketing, and also sales funnel. If you can help business gain visibility, definitely they are going to pay you. So you can earn as a digital marketer, you can earn as a social media manager, you can earn as a consultant, as a marketing consultant, and there are lots of ways you can earn from digital marketing. You can look for all these online platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and start learning your digital marketing course. The next high income skill we are going to talk about is sales and negotiation. This skill is underrated, but everybody needs to learn sales and negotiation. So even big businesses, they need someone that would help them close sales. And if you learn this skill, that's exactly where you come in. You need to learn the basics of sales, negotiation, closing deals, handling objection, following up on clients, and selling without sounding desperate. If you can do all this, you can actually sell anything to anyone. Okay, and you earn money as a sales rep, commission based, as a business development manager. So I've taken my time and I've made a course for beginners on how you can sell anything to anyone without sounding desperate. So in this course, you're going to learn the basics of sales and negotiation. If you're a small business owner or you're a sales rep or you're working in any sales position at all, then just I'm going to leave my link in the description so you can actually get this course. So the next high income skill we are going to talk about is video editing. It is no longer in use. Every business actually needs videos. So if you know how to edit video very well, then you would never be broke at all. You don't even need a camera. You can use your phone to begin. So all you need to learn is to learn video editing, learn how to take videos, learn video editing, and then also learn the basics of each social media platform. Businesses want to look good because people actually trust businesses that have a clean online presence. So businesses, they go out and they search for branding experts and designers. So if you have this skill in 2026, you're going to make a lot of money. So you need to learn how to design logos, how to handle brand, be strategic about brand handling, and creating simple flyers and the rest of it. Okay, so you earn money as a freelance graphic designer, as a branding expert, and a branding strategy. So the next high income skill we are going to talk about is content creation. On this channel, if you go to my live stream, I have a video teaching you how you can start up content creation as a beginner. So there are so many ways you can earn from content creation. You can use platform like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and just put yourself out there. Even before the channel starts paying you, you can start making money by selling your knowledge. Okay, by selling your knowledge, digital book, like ebooks there. Okay, so those are some ways you can. If you go to that my video, you're actually going to learn about the ways you can actually earn through content creation. And I'm also going to be putting out a video on this channel talking about content creation and what content creation has done to my life in just 8 months. So the next high income skill we are going to talk about is data analytics. Businesses are looking for people that can help them manage their data, and you don't even need to be a data scientist. All you need to learn is learn how to track sales, understand analytics, understand performance reports, and use this analytics, use this data to make informed decisions. So this is a very good skill. So if you're looking for one high income skill that you can learn in 2026, then you should consider data analytics. So if you're still on this video and you're yet to like this video, give us a thumbs up right now. It's totally free, and hit on that subscribe button if you want to keep on getting content like this. And if you know someone that you want them to actually learn a new skill in 2026, just hit on that share button and share this video to them. Support this channel by sharing this video on WhatsApp, Facebook, and to anybody you know that would actually need it. So the last skill we are going to talk about is online tutoring. So if you're knowledgeable in a particular area, you can sell your skill online. You can start online tutoring. There are platforms where you can register and start tutoring on a particular subject. And even if you have knowledge on a particular thing, you can open a YouTube channel and start teaching that, like start teaching people about your knowledge. You can also start selling ebooks, like, and doing coaching and consultation. So there are many ways to earn money online selling your knowledge. So in 2026, knowledge is also part of business. Okay, so you can also sell your knowledge. So you don't need to learn everything. You just need to pick a particular skill, learn and master that skill, and within months you start earning from this skill. I'm also going to be making research on more high income skills, and I'll be bringing them to this channel. So if you like videos like this, don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and turn on your notification so you don't miss our other videos. And if you're still here till this point, comment in the comment section, I'm ready for 2026, and see you in my next video.